All right, if you're somebody that's having a hard time right now, I want you to watch this entire video because we're gonna break it down and go through it. But the number one takeaway I want you to get from this video is do not give up. And here's why. Anytime you are working on something or working towards something that's worthy of mention, meaning that you're trying to accomplish something that matters, God, the universe, life, it has a way of testing you to see how bad you really want it. And when you're faced with this test, how you handle it is going to determine the outcome of what it is that you want. And here's the thing, most people are not equipped to handle the adversity. They are not able to weather the storm. They give up at the first sign of anything hard. And I've experienced it myself. When I was opening my barber college, I moved from California to South Dakota to open my school. I came out here, I moved my family, I put all the money that I had into the business. We opened the doors March 10th of 2020. And by March 17th, all of the news was all over about this pandemic situation. And at that point in time, I didn't know what was what. I have my strong beliefs on it now, but at the time, I didn't know what was what. We were being told that my business back home had to be closed down, that, we had to do all of these measures that were put into place. And for a brief moment in time, I thought about quitting. I thought, you know what? I can pack up right now and blame it on this pandemic and say that this business idea that I had would not work because of the pandemic. And I have a full excuse. And I entertained that thought for maybe one day. And the reason I entertained it was because my whole plan was to use the money from my other business to supplement the income here while I'm getting the school up and running off the ground. And now we're being told that we have to close our business in California, and they had people taking pictures and reporting it to the city and all of this stuff. But I entertained that for one brief moment, and then I thought, you know what? I knew what I was doing. I was trying to find a way out. And I'm not quitting. I'm turning into this. And because of that decision, that critical decision where I decided not to give up, to turn into it, everything else unfolded the way that it needed to be. There's a saying, if you want to take the island, you have to burn the ships. And the saying came from, whether it's true or not, I don't know. But the saying came from years ago. There were ships going into battle on an island. And as all of the soldiers, all of the warriors were getting off of the main ship and going onto these boats to row into the shore, the captain of the ship ordered that the ship be burned. And he told his people, we are either going to take this island or we are going to die trying. And so that's the theory behind it. If you want to take the island, you have to burn the ships because there should be no place for you to retreat to. And that is something that I've learned. And again, opening business and launching, writing my books and all of these things that I've accomplished in my life that I feel like are worthy of mention, hard things. It always came down to a point when it was like, am I going to continue on or am I going to give in? And all of the times that I continued on, it was like, boom, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense why that critical moment. And now I've learned to understand when I'm working on something and it gets very, very hard and I feel like I want to quit, I actually get happy because I know that I'm so close to it working out. And so if you're getting that moment right now and you're trying and you're doing your best and you're giving it all you got and you're investing and you're working towards something and it feels like it's starting to get hard, just know that you're very close for it being about to work out. I apologize. Sometimes I know I stutter or I say the wrong words. One thing about these videos that I make, I do not edit them. I hit record and we just go. I don't script, I just talk, I speak from my heart, and I just put it out there. So when I say the wrong thing sometimes, or the words come out mumbled, that is why. I'm mentioning this today because I know it is very hard for a lot of people, especially those that have been investing over the last year and a half. The bull run that we thought was coming never came. The people that have been putting their money in over and over and over again, and the market just keeps going down and down and down, and they feel like they have nothing left to give. This is not financial advice, but I'm telling you, at some point, your decision to turn into it and to not give up will be the reason that you look back and say, now I get it. Now I see what Donnie was talking about. Now I understand what the test was. It was that moment in time. It was the moment in time where I didn't know how I was going to make it work. I didn't know how I was going to pay that bill, but I stayed with it. I didn't sell my project. These are the things that I'm telling you about that I've experienced. And you are experiencing it too. And once you get on the other side of it, you will understand it. And when somebody else goes through it, you will be able to explain it perfectly. If you're somebody that's having a hard time right now, let me know in the comments. Did this video help? Does it make sense? If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, macroeconomics, not giving up. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content, and until next time, we'll talk soon.